You know what they call a Greek salad in Greece?
No, what do they call it?
A Greek salad. We're going to do like a little shuffle and dance while you're playing the Greek music, okay?
And I'll smash some plates.
No, don't do that. Here we go. Ready?
I don't know.
Okay, folks, we are back, and I just found out from one of my friends who is Greek American that we are taping this on March 25th, and that is Greek Independence
It
Day.
is indeed.
The town of Ipswich, Mass., where we live, has a large Greek American
Community.
and I'm sure we will have some slings and arrows over our presentation of our Greek recipes. The first thing is Greek lemon potatoes. 3 Yukon Gold potatoes, and made them into kind of fat slices. Olive oil. I'm hiding the label because George wanted me to use Greek olive oil. There is oregano galore in Greek cuisine.
Yeah,
We're going to add
absolutely. Lots of oregano.
lots of oregano.
Nice.
It's a fat tablespoon. I'm using one of Giorgio's tricks. I bought
I was
chopped.
going to comment upon
know,
it.
I never-
See, we have a little battle. He likes to chop his garlic from scratch. Did you wash your hands before
Yes,
you
I
did
did.
this? Okay, good.
And I'm going to wipe my hands on your soup.
Look at this.
Huh?
Woo. Are there any lemons yet?
And we're going to add the juice.
You buy that in bottles too, you know.
No, that's not the same. You got to have fresh lemons. If God gives you lemons, you make lemon roasted potatoes.
That's the old saying.
That's the old saying. Very curious thing on my one time in Greece. Tons of lemons, but no limes.
Well, that's why they had key lemon pie.
I have some chicken bouillon. What I particularly like is a product called Better Than Bouillon.
Yes.
And it's
I
good.
like
It
that.
comes in amazing. You get beef, chicken,
Different flavors, yeah.
seafood, and lobster. Which
Yeah, well, that-
George is
yeah.
incredibly allergic
A
to.
little allergic to that would not that would be instant.
Your short show. Have the oven at 400 degrees. And you're going to cook those puppies
For how long?
for about an hour. Chicken souvlaki. Now what I've done here is I've taken 2 boneless breasts of chicken, cut them into slightly below an inch cube, and I have marinated them now for about 8 hours. I used 5 cloves of garlic, 4 lemons, and enough olive oil to cover it, and about 2 tablespoons of oregano.
When you're cooking several things, you use the same spices or similar
Oh, in
spices.
Greece, I mean, it's like
In-
universal.
in-
A lemon.
Well, yeah, but,
Oregano.
But rather than just all of a sudden do something different.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Couple of ways to cook this.
Yes.
Ideally, would be to charcoal broil it.
Yeah.
Give it a nice charred look.
Yeah.
We're going to bake it, which is fine, but we're going to first use George's grill pan. See the little ridges? So you're going to help me with this. We're going to put these on wooden skewers.
I don't want to get my hands on.
Okay, weenie.
What?
All right, so we've soaked these in water.
Soak the
The
sticks.
skewers, the
the
sticks.
skewers in water.
Right.
Paul.
This is the messy part of this recipe.
Yeah, I see that. I know that.
Cut these at 4 a.m. So I was getting
Yeah, you
a
want
little
to get the
tired.
right amount of, yeah. With proper planning, you do not have to get up at 4 a.m. to cook this recipe.
You want to start yours?
Yeah, I can do that.
Well, we'll let this heat up here.
What I'm going to do is a Greek sausage and peppers in red wine. It's called, and here we go, spetsofeia.
I don't
think.
know. Here's the
So-
first sling and arrow.
Locanico is the kind of sausage that it
I
uses.
think we got that pronounced right.
This can be found in quite a few stores. If you can't find that, don't fret it. Just get some Italian sausage with fennel.
We should thank Bob and Julie Keys for the use of their kitchen. It's,
Well,
it's perfect. It's perfect setup. And
We literally couldn't do this without them,
no.
you know. 'Cause
Background.
he's kind of quiet. and stuff, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But it would be good. We could just do
Give
it
him some
through
of
the-
that Greek wine. Get him
through-
fired up.
I'm going to use some olive oil, and this is Greek olive oil.
You know, 2 of the largest exporters of olive oil everybody considers naturally Italy, but it's actually Spain and Greece.
Very good olive oil is coming out of California now.
You sure it isn't on those container ships off of Long Beach?
No. And I'm going to cut about 1-inch pieces of this sausage. This is a dish that would need augmentation like we're going to provide, like a salad, because this is relatively heavy. But what it is, it's very easy to do. You do not have to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. All
It's
right?
dedication.
Yeah, dedication. Poor planning. We're just going to brown these, make them kind of crusty on the side there.
This is cool, this little mitten here.
You like that, huh?
I like that. I'm going to put this in the lower oven briefly at 400 degrees, and I'll take it out in about 10 minutes. Woo! They spit at me.
Wow. I got to admit. Does it go any lower?
It'll warm your body armor.
So now we need to do some vegetables. You're going to cut your vegetables into 1-inch pieces. Beginning to smell like a Greek Isle. We are still going to use the same pan, but I'm going to take the sausage out.
Very good.
So it's really colorful. Look at this.
I have a surprise for you at the end of this episode.
Oh, I don't like surprises.
You'll love this.
At my age, surprises, no. Here you go. How simple can this thing be?
It is pretty.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is just some parsley I'm going to put in. You can put as much parsley in as you want.
A friend of mine who was in the film business in Los Angeles.
Yeah.
And you know when you see in a scene where you got people behind the stars and they're talking,
Yes.
you know what they frequently are saying?
No.
Parsley, 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 parsley. I don't know why.
So we get our sausages back in here. And then some sweet red wine. Crushed red pepper flakes. Again to taste.
How old's that?
How old is it? Why do you
Because it
ask?
sticks in there.
So you think I should get new?
I think we ought to up our budget and get
Okay.
some new spices.
So what we're doing is cooking the alcohol out of the wine. Don't look so depressed.
I have some pita bread. Should we sop up somehow?
Ντομάτες έχετε?
Αμέ. Τι περιμένουμε? Το καλοκαίρι.
Νέο πομαρό σπιτική σάλτσα ντομάτας με μυρωδικά.
We're going to make a Greek salad. We're going to make one with some chopped romaine, English cucumber, add a little red pepper, give it some color, cherry tomatoes halved, Kalamata olives, look at this, and some feta cheese. It's available in every single market in the U.S. now.
And crumbling it yourself is the way to go.
With a nod to the American interpretation, I'm going to add a couple of pepperoncinis, some pickled beets.
Wow.
Tell you what I'm doing here, a little secret to my Greek salad. Take some fresh mint. You want to make the dressing now?
Sure.
A little salt.
Yeah.
There you go, some pepper.
Greek olive oil in there.
Half a teaspoon of garlic.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, you can't have too much garlic.
Dijon mustard.
You can't have too much oregano.
Red wine vinegar.
It'll be
A
good.
bit more, a bit more, a bit more. A tap, just. Okay.
You sure?
Ready?
Don't knock your wine over.
I wouldn't do that.
That looks absolutely
It does.
fabulous.
Looks nice. Our final accompaniment. Tzatziki sauce. 5 cloves of garlic, kosher salt, black pepper. What I have done is shredded about a third of an English cucumber. I'm going to add some salt to it, a bit,
Yeah.
but you have to squeeze the moisture out of this. I'm just going to use paper towels.
No cheesecloth?
No, I didn't have any.
Yeah.
Ran over budget. But take it to the sink. I'm going to squeeze it. Look at the liquid. It's amazing, isn't it?
It is. Yeah.
It gets better.
Oh.
Plain Greek yogurt.
You wouldn't use the strawberry for this.
No, plain, not vanilla.
How about the stuff with the granola in it? No?
No.
None of that.
No. I am going to add a bit of fresh mint,
Just a bit.
just a bit, and white vinegar. Mix that puppy up. Is your tzatziki.
Μπαταρίες στο Σύμπα διαρκούν περισσότερο από όσο χρειάζεται.
Boy, is this pan heavy.
How'd they come out? Got any grill marks on the bottom?
Yeah,
a little
charred.
bit. A little char.
I'm going to pop this pita in the oven for like 2 minutes. How you doing on your sausage?
Oh, I'm ready. Anytime you want. Just gonna throw a little of this in. Did you get up early in the morning and do the pita bread too?
Yeah, I did it after the chicken.
Yeah.
What do you say, huh? That's pretty spiffy, you know that, with the plates?
Wow. I think you did
A
it.
bit of wine now.
I think so.
You want to try some of the Greek wine?
Whatever you're gonna serve to me. Go ahead. I dare you to pronounce that.
Well, try it.
That was really good.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, this is the second time I made it. The first time I made it, my wife wasn't too happy. And for some stupid reason, I posted it on Facebook. And I got about 20 responses from Greek Americans
Yes.
in our town. You didn't cook it long enough. You didn't have enough lemon. You didn't. And then
No,
one
that-
fine lady, who's a friend of mine, said, it took me years, Paul, to perfect it.
No,
I'm
this
glad.
is good. All right, a little bit more of that tzatziki here.
And you can put other stuff in there on top, like sliced cherry tomato.
Yeah, really nice.
Oh my God.
Well, another one, huh?
Barakalo.
What does that mean?
I think it means please.
You'll find out soon enough.
Phone will be ringing. Anyhow, folks, enjoy. We've enjoyed cooking it.
Oh yeah.
We're enjoying eating it.
The sausage is very nice.
Till we meet again.
Keep cooking. Have fun with it.
See?
Oh, that's good.
Very tasty. I get faced first time in 20 years.
No, he didn't get faced. He almost flatlined.
Comatose.